Hi, my name's Ashley and thanks for joining us today. I want to spend a few minutes to talk to you about our secondary controls. Our secondary controls fall under the Switch brand, so I want to discuss the different options that are available and what the Switch brand really is. So if we were to consider that gas and brake are your primary driving controls, everything else that you would want to control during driving is what we would refer to as your secondaries. So functions such as blinkers, horn, wipe wash and dimmer, even cruise control and power windows would be considered secondaries. Our switch line takes those secondary functions and puts them on a device, making them more accessible and easier to use. The secondary devices use our clamshell base, the same one that you will have seen used for our regular spinner knobs. The only difference is the base will have a rubber bushing built into it, and this is to prevent the device from spinning or rotating during regular driving. Understanding that one single product would not work for everybody, we have a variety of different options. In this video series, we're going to take a look at all of the options that fall under the brand Switch.